Hello everyone and welcome to a Disney outfit of the week kind of thrifted edition. Most things in my outfits are thrifted, but like some of them aren't, so don't kill me please. So for the first outfit, I'm just wearing this lavender t-shirt that I got from Urban Outfitters with Mickey and Minnie on it, and then I paired it with this lime green skirt, which is kind of out of my comfort zone, but honestly was kind of feeling it with this outfit. And then I just topped that off with my Doc Martens with some white crew socks. So for my next outfit, I am wearing this white shirt that I got from Princess Polly off of Thredup actually, and then I'm also wearing it with these Mickey and Minnie overalls, which I love so much. I'm also wearing this like plastic clear belt to cinch in my waist but not really detract like from the overalls aesthetic, you know. I'm also wearing this with my black high top Converse, and then I put my hair back with two barrettes because oh my god, my hair was not having the Florida humidity at all. For this next outfit, I am wearing this shirt that I got off of Thredup from Reformation. It's so pretty. I love the back. It kind of shows off my back knee, but honestly, I don't care. I'm wearing these heart earrings that I got from Bobble Bar, and then I'm wearing it with my busted ass white slip-on Vans that I've had for probably too long. Okay, so for this outfit, I'm wearing this yellow Lady and the Tramp shirt, and I cuff the sleeves, just more visual interest. I'm also wearing these shorts from Guess, and for my earrings, I am wearing these little pastel pink hearts. I thought the pastels complemented each other nicely. And I'm also wearing my Doc Martens, and as for my hair, I put it up in these little tiny baby ponytails because again, the Florida humidity was atrocious.